by 2 equal to z by 3, line 1, and x by 2, y by 1 equal to z by 3, line 2, and some other line x minus 2. Okay, like 3 lines are given. Okay, and let's say options will say, like say, based on triangle made by the intersection of 3 lines. 2 options. In option A, given, let's say, isosceles. Option C, given like equilateral. And then option C talking about area of the triangle made. Option D says the lines are present in the plane. These are the 4 options and you need to pick them effectively. If you notice this, the question is actually created not on your intention to actually find the points just like that. Okay. That finding points self, like you should not think like an NCERT student to go and find the exact point just like that. So if you see L1 and L2, by the look of it itself, you can actually see the common point in both of them, yes or no? See L1 and L2, can't you say what is the common point present in them? Danya?
Yes,
This is a Cartesian equation of your line, no? X minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Same thing for L2. So what is the common point present in L1 and L2? Isn't it 0, comma 0, comma 0? Both are passing through origin.
yes, sir.
Numerators are nothing but x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0 in both the lines. So doesn't that mean origin is a point on those lines?
Yes, sir.
We got the point on the origin as a point on L1 and L2. Okay. Now, like similarly, you work it out to get to know the D option is something easy for us to try, I should say. Why? Because if you are considering this as lambda equal to lambda, x is 1 lambda, y is 2 lambda, z is 3 lambda. That's every point on this line, correct? Every point on line 1. So doesn't x being 1 lambda, y being 2 lambda, and z being 3 lambda satisfy this equation? Isn't 1 lambda plus 2 lambda equal to 3 lambda?
Yes, sir.
So that means L1 is present on plane 1, present on that plane. Similarly, L2 also similar, no? It's equated to mu. You get 2 mu, x has 2 mu, y has 1 mu, z has 3 mu. That is also satisfying that plane equation, no? See, I'm saying there's not much of hard work to do. Planes you have to observe and apply. So that also makes like line 2 present on this plane. Coming to the last one. Okay, I think I missed D, z minus 3, suppose. Right, coming to the last one, you can understand z value is going to be always 3. Z value is going to be always 3 if you're going to consider it like equal to some m or lambda or L, whatever. So x comes out to be L plus 1, but y comes out to be
2 minus
2 minus 3L.
3L.
Z comes out to be 3 always. So doesn't this satisfy x plus y equal to 3 as well? It should. Maybe I made a mistake. Put the 3 here and put 1 here. We'll have 3L plus 1. Okay,
Yes,
some
sir.
mistake I'm doing. Okay, some mistake I'm doing, but like generally they'll give it like that. Okay, I'm just cooking up this question. Generally given that way that these two will get cancelled off. or maybe both being 3. Okay. So plus 3L minus still gone. 1 plus 2 is 3. Satisfying? No. So D option is satisfied. And next interesting is you should not do your procedural method to find the point of intersection between two lines, because if you look at line 3, there's something suspicious. That Z is going to be 3 always in this line. If this is line 3, in both the points where it intersects L1 and L2 and at all other points as well, Z value is always 3 people.
So from the first line equation, lambda is 2.
Yes. So if you substitute Z as 3 there, lambda value becomes 1. So you can say easily, so X will be 1, Y will be 2. So 1, 2, 3. And in this, again, when you put Z is 2, 1, 3. That's it. So now when you apply distance formula between these points, you're going to get the distances. So this will be root 14. This will also come root 14. And distance between these two will be 1 plus 1 root 2. So it's not equilateral. It is isosceles. Okay. Finally, we are interested in knowing the area of the triangle made. So root 14 and root 2 being the sides. If you apply the perpendicular, then you know in an isosceles triangle, the perpendicular from, the two equal arms will also bisect. So root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2 will come, through which you can calculate the height of the triangle, no? Root 14 square equal to height square plus root 2 by 2 the whole square. So height square comes out to be 27 by 2. So height value will be 3 root 3 by root 2. So finally area will be half into base into height. So 3 root 3 by 2 becomes the area. Okay, like say if they give that, and that option is also a tick. So you can understand you did not toil as much you generally do in a JEE question or NCERT question, where you are expected to find the actual point by the procedure of equating the first line to lambda, second